What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's the bobber. And today we're on a lovely ride through Oakland, California again. Yes, I know. I just love this route, and it's right behind my house, so can't complain about that, right? And today's video was is inspired by Dick the Hound, and you know, you kind of like YouTube kind of becomes a chore sometimes. And I was out riding with Bombshell because she needed to make a video for this week, and I've got a few videos done for the next couple weeks, so this video is going to be a little bit delayed, especially for Diggs, because his came out a couple days ago, so by the time you see this, it'll be a couple weeks old. And I didn't have like the GoPro stuff set up. I didn't have my Tascam. I didn't have anything set up when we started this ride. I didn't even know if I wanted to do a motovlog today. I was just putting the stuff away, and you know what? I got ahead of her and just went for a little ways. So the bobber didn't take attention away from her topic, and this exhaust can be quite loud. So her trying to talk and me just blah 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 right in front of her can get quite distracting. Now, and the same thing is, we all love riding, and we didn't like start YouTube and then start riding. The riding came first. Motovlogging and connecting with people across the world, that was all after we found a love for riding first. We didn't go, man, I want a motovlog, I'm gonna go get a motorcycle. And if you have, shit, leave me a comment. Let me know how that story happened, because I got to connect the pieces for that one. Love these soft turns back here. Now, so when I was going out and I'm just riding, man, I was just enjoying it. As far as most of you guys know, I do daily the bike on the freeway, about 26 miles to work, 26 miles home. But I'm just riding to work. That's my everyday ride. Of course, I'd rather be riding than in my truck, depending on the weather. Oh man, windshield just fogged up way hard in that turn. Not cool. These guys are out riding too. God, this is just such a great road to get out on. But I'm out here doing this more. Yeah, what's up, guys? I feel like I'm blockhead, Sup, dude? Sup, dude? I gotta get my own though, I gotta get my own thing. Oh man, I love the wave too. I don't know if you guys wave or not wave and the whole thing. I thought about doing a video just on that, but I'm like, man, when I don't get a wave, I'm like, all right, there's times where I haven't been able to wave, but I like it, man. I don't give a shit. It's just part of the brotherhood, and not necessarily brotherhood, because I don't want to take away from anything of like the people who really ride together all the time type brotherhood, but it's still another type of brotherhood. Oh man. But getting back on track, I was cruising, just out of my own head, not worried about anything. All I worried about was the view that I was getting personally, And I've shared this view with you guys before, but I'm just riding, looking at the hills, and yes, watching the road. Digging into the dips and the turns, and these aren't fast ones. These aren't crazy. I'm not on a sport bike, even though the bobber revs up like one, and it can really move. Oh, they're taking engagement photos, I'm guessing, or high school photos. Yeah, and then there's me. Oh shit! At least they're not taking video, and they're not ruining my video, so that works, right? I'm just giving them something extra. Ooh, man, those bumps sucked right there. Now, but I was out there cruising, just breathing, man, just taking in this fresh air, taking in this glorious late December day, and it's just, it got to like 75 today. It's a little bit colder in these hills, and especially now that the sun's starting to get down there, but it's still, a glorious Southern California day, and it's one of the things that I get to compliment for California, and we'll just leave it at that. But to the other motovloggers out there, you know this, I know you know this, we've all talked about this, but maybe you're new to motovlogging, maybe you're really trying to start out, maybe you're aiming, you know, aiming super high, just bring it down a notch, man. It's good to have big goals. It's great to have big goals. They teach you this in every line of work. Have your goal way up here. Have little goals on the way up, little accomplishments. Speaking of which, like, as I'm making this video, I'm a little bit over 700 subscribers. That's outstanding. I am so ecstatic. You know, of course, a big goal is 1,000. You know, we all, you know, that's a goal right now. But I don't, every little one, 724, 725, 730. I can't believe it, you know. I didn't expect to hit 100 by this time. I'm like, people really want to watch my shit? Like, watch my adventures, watch me out here rambling, running through these hills on this bobber, and then I also come back to earth going, it's her. Oh man. But what I'm saying to the motovloggers out there is you need to take your time, relax. There needs to be days where you leave the GoPro at home. Unless you're using it for, you know, your insurance or whatever, leave the mic at home, leave the second camera at home, what have you. Get out, go on one of your favorite routes, just breathe. And I can't say that enough, man. Like, get out and just feel this beautiful air, feel these beautiful two tires running down the road, feel these grooves. Oh man, it is just, it's outstanding, you know, to be able to do this. And oh man, it's just, I can't get over it. You know, doing this kind of stuff is just so much fun. And like I said, YouTube being the next, you know, a close second, of course, like because I've enjoyed it so much, meeting people around the world and knowing that I want to go hang out with these people. You know, I can't wait till the meetup next year. I can't wait till SEMM next year. You just gotta find a balance. You can't let this become a chore, because other than that, you're like, oh well, I can go out riding today, better grab the GoPro, better go grab all this stuff, better make a video. At first, you know, it's fine, but if you don't make a place to just ride, you're gonna lose some of the passion for riding, like I said, and that's why we started. Don't ever lose why you started. Anytime you have a goal, why'd you start? And if you started motovlogging for just money, then most likely you're going to be disappointed. I started this because I wanted to ride out. I go back and I watch my videos. And the same thing Dig said a while back. I make stuff that I want to watch. And that's the way to do it. If you don't want to go back and watch it, why the hell is anyone else going to want to watch it? Or if you like watching it and other people don't, that's where this is for us. We made the video, you know, and we may inspire other people to go out and make videos, which is great. But I really hope people making their own videos like watching their own videos. I really want a chieftain, and I'm gonna make a video about that here soon, about why and future plans and all that fun stuff. But I have a couple chieftain videos. I've probably watched them more than anybody else has. You know, at least a couple, you know, I don't know. My white chieftain video I've probably watched 10 times or so. And then I watch Meatball's chieftain video, and I watch Blockhead's chieftain video, and the numbers, you know, I watch Brandon Picasso's chieftain videos, and even if he did drop one, I'm right there with you, Brandon, though. Accidents happen, man. It's life. Live it. You understand, guys? Live life. And I want to use a quote from Dirty D's. It's one that me and my lady are really stuck to, man. Stay in the ring longer than anybody expects you to. I want to connect with you, Dirty, and especially when I come out, and see if we can do a vlog about that. Or with my lady, because, you know, she's all about it. Damn, okay, everybody's doing videos. Or pictures. You guys want to take a picture with the bobber? No? It'll take too much attention from you? Yeah, I get that. I get that feeling too. But I mean it. Alright, you guys. Well, I'm chasing this sunset coming out of Oak Glen right now, and Oak Glen next to Yucaipa, California, not where the Raiders are. I'm gonna have to start saying that in every video. Everybody's like, man, I'm in Oak Glen, I gotta go see this road, and I'm like, I'm so sorry to disappoint you that it's 8 hours south. Oh man. Oh, this is a lot better than the last video. The last video I think I'll have posted for you guys, if it's not a test ride video from this one, will be just about hate on YouTube. And that's another thing, you got to balance out that hate, and you got to enjoy the passion first. Passion first. Otherwise, you know, people are going to know and people are going to feel it, and that's just it's not, you don't want to be a habit downer, man. Life's a garden. Dig it. All right, you guys. Perfect timing, these curves coming up. So, like always, stay safe, stay classy.